The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is one of Zojirushi's best-selling rice cookers and is the perfect addition to any kitchen. The rice cooker is available in a 5.5 or 10-cup size. Both sizes include advanced features to cook delicious rice and a variety of healthy grains with no stress. The Neuro Fuzzy microcomputer allows the rice cooker to think for itself. It makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature according to the type of grain and its amount to ensure it is cooked perfectly every time. To prepare rice, open the rice cooker and remove the inner cooking pan. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook with the included measuring cup, leveling off each cup. Use the clear cup for white, brown, semi-brown, and sweet rice. Use the green cup for rinse-free rice. Both cups are slightly smaller than a standard U.S. measuring cup. Pour water and gently wash the rice in the scratch-resistant, rinse-okay, non-stick inner cooking pan. Drain and repeat this process until the water runs clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you're cooking. The high-contrast water level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 4 cups of white rice. Place the inner cooking pan back into the rice cooker and close the lid. Select the type of rice to be cooked. You can select from regular or sushi white rice, softer white rice, harder white rice, quick cooking, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, or brown rice from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. For rinse-free rice, press the Pre-Washed button before making your menu selection. Press the Cooking button and let the rice cooker do its job. The triple heaters inside the rice cooker heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top, cooking the rice evenly. This machine also features a clock and delay timer function with 2 programmable memory settings. Set the timer up to 13 hours in the future for rice that's ready when you want it. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. The cooked rice can be kept warm for up to 12 hours. The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer also features an extended Keep Warm mode, which keeps the rice warm at a lower temperature for an additional 8 hours. The reheat cycle quickly brings rice back to serving temperature. The Stay Cool side handles on the inner cooking pan allows for quick and easy transporting of hot, delicious rice. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, and the exterior can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, a regular rice measuring cup, and a rinse-free rice measuring cup. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is made in Japan with an eye towards superior technology, design, and performance.
Mode for Voice Guide. 中国语音语音模式 한국어 음성 모드입니다. Automatic sterilization. Starting the automatic sterilization.
Hi, I'm Jessica Webb for Panasonic. Time for a quick culinary lesson. Rice. Easy to cook, hard to cook well. Lose track of it and it boils over, or burns, or sticks to the pot. One solution, the Panasonic SF-DF101 rice cooker. Has a built-in microprocessor that will do the cooking for you accurately every time and adjust cooking time and temperature with one touch. Press here for brown rice or here for white. When it's done, the DF101 turns the heat low to keep the food warm. Result, great rice every time. But if you want something else with dinner, like soup or steamed vegetables, well, in that case, you'll need the SRDF101 Panasonic rice cooker. It's also a steamer. Load it with veggies, pour in water, and press here. Same thing for soup or oatmeal. And voila, fast, healthy meals at the touch of a button. I'm Jessica Webb for Panasonic.
Have you ever been to a Persian dinner party or restaurant and had the famous dish tahdig? Tahdig is one of the most famous yet elusive Persian delicacies with crispy, crunchy rice on top and perfectly fluffy rice on bottom. I'll let you in on a little secret. With the Pars rice cooker, you can make delicious, authentic tahdig in your own kitchen in just 60 minutes. I'll show you how. The Pars rice cooker is an authentic, Persian family-owned tahdig miracle worker. The Pars rice cooker brings a delicious taste of culture to kitchens around the world. So, ready to wow your friends and family with your Persian cuisine skills? First, I pour in my rice. Then goes in the water, a little bit of salt, a splash of oil to achieve that famous crispy outer crust, and give it all a stir. Then I just pop on the lid and set the timer to 60 minutes. Wait, hang on. That's it? Yep, that's it. And the Pars rice cooker isn't just easy to use. With a removable, high-quality non-stick pot, it's easy to clean. With a detachable cord, it's easy to store. It comes in 6 convenient sizes. And best of all, it is oh so Making weeknight tahdig is just a Pars rice cooker away. Order yours today.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.